how to add a gift receipt on Target app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually add a gift receipt on Target app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a gift receipt to the Target application, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up the Target app here. Then after you are on the cart page, and then you just go to the checkout page over here, you'll find this option called gift message. All you need to do is just click on the add button to add a gift message. When you add a gift message and then you hit the checkout, when you get the receipt, the gift receipt will also be available in that receipt. So this way you can get a gift receipt on Target app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.